Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Ton from Kucoin to Tonkeeper Wallet. Now, of course, you need to have your Tonkeeper Wallet's wallet address to do this. So when you are in Kucoin, and you need to be verified, and you need to have security measures set, all you need to do is tap on Assets. And in Assets, what you want to do is tap on Funding. In Funding, what you want to do is tap on Withdrawal. And here, you're going to choose the cryptocurrency that you're going to withdraw or transfer to another wallet, which is Ton. And here, as you can see here, you just need to paste the wallet address, which is, the wallet address of our Tonkeeper wallet. You need to select the network, which is Ton. It says you don't need a memo because Tonkeeper doesn't have one, and you need to, tap on Max. We don't have it. I don't know why I didn't get my Ton here. Weird. And then you just need to tap on withdraw and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.